What's going on, everybody? This is Steve with the MrBigKid channel, and thank you for watching. Today we are doing a flat iron steak. It's 2.2 pounds right here. This is a flat iron steak. It's a beef chuck flat iron, weighs 2.2 pounds. Now we're going down south today, really south, down to Argentina. Not physically. We are making a chimichurri sauce. Now in my family, I'm part Argentine. My grandparents, my mother is from Argentina and born there, so we do a lot of Argentine meals and my heritage is very strong. Now we do two types of chimichurris in my family. We do a green chimichurri and a red chimichurri. Today I'm combining both because we're going to be marinating the steak, this cut, for about an hour, maybe 2 hours inside chimichurri. And then we're gonna do a reverse sear on the Pit Boss pellet grill. Reverse seared flat iron steak over chimichurri, marinated in chimichurri. Very vinegary, very herby, delicious. I love anything with chimichurri. And then I don't know what we're doing for size. We'll figure it out when the time comes. So let's get started. Let's start with the chimichurri, and then we will start with marinating. Let's do it. Alright, first things first, here are the ingredients. First thing we have right here, garlic. Second ingredient is oregano. Third ingredient, crushed red pepper flakes. Fourth ingredient is going to be paprika. The fifth ingredient is 2 bushels of parsley. Then we're going to be using some coarse sea salt. Then last but not least, homemade red wine vinegar. It's really potent, really strong, but it's delicious, and my grandfather has made this for us. Garlic. First thing, we're going to take this garlic and add it to the bowl. We are going to add the oregano, the paprika, and then the crushed red pepper flakes. First, actually what I do is I'll put it in my hand. It's a lot, but I want to make it kind of spicy. Just kind of crush them in there. Not crushing too much, it's alright, whatever. Take a handful of salt. A little more. Then we're going to add some of the red wine vinegar. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to take this parsley and add it into here in the actual blender. Look at that, nice and thick. All right, now we're gonna take our flat iron steak and put it inside this big old IKEA Ziploc bag. And now we're gonna dump some of that chimichurri inside that bag. There we go.
This t-shirt actually has a nice detail, and it actually does work, and it does need some, and this is the boiler, and back here, this is the tender.
Where's the coal?
And see,
Oh, there it is.
those are wood.
Yeah.
We keep it safe inside there. So that's what we do.
You want to turn it on now? You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
What do we do?
So turn this dial a little bit. Right though. Turn it down 1. Like this. Just like this. So you start it right there.
Oh.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Now we gotta wait for this to make all of its smoke, and then we can close it.
I would do what?
There we go, the smoke's gone. So we have our delicious looking. We have our delicious looking flat iron right here. So I'm gonna take it out of the bag, put it on the smoker, and then we're gonna take 2 temperature probes, put one right here, and then one right here. Alright, so we're just about up to temperature. So I'm going to explain what we're going to do. Once we hit an average of about 120 to 125, we're going to pull the beef off of the grill, put it on the tray, pull the probes out, crank the smoker up to a higher temperature, 500, 450, 500, around there. Once the temperature is up, we're going to open the grill, and then we're just going to sear it with tongs on all sides. That's going to bring the internal temperature up, I'm hoping, to the mid 130s for a perfect medium rare, which is what I'm looking for. We kind of like it medium rare to medium. In which time I also have to get my thumbnail for this video. So I'm thinking a good thumbnail will be the big old piece of beef sitting on the grates with the fire kind of like shooting around it. You get the chimichurri on top. We'll see how it comes out. But we are at temperature right now, so let's do our magic. Alright, the steak is done. It's been resting for about 15 minutes, so let's cut into it. Ooh, this looks so good. That's the end piece right there. Let's get a little in the middle here. Oh yeah, look at that. I ended up taking so long to get like a good picture in the footage and trying to get a cool angle. I ended up letting the bottom sear a lot and didn't really get the top seared. So in turn, the top came out a little too rare for us and the bottom was like done. Kind of a weird situation. I fired the smoker back up. I put the whole cut of beef back on, except upside down. But you know what? We're all human. We all make mistakes. So hopefully round number 2 is going to be even better. Let's test it out. That's a lot better. Let's try this thing again. Oh, that is so much better. Oh yeah. Once you break through that crust, it's just super tender. This is about cooked to a medium right now. Got quite a bit of pink in there. let's give this guy a try. Time to try it out. After throwing it on the second time, so much better, way more tender. It just needed a little tiny sear just to bring it past the chewy, undercooked level. Yeah, super good, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you guys had chimichurri, tried to make it, it's really not hard and it's delicious, super herby and awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell notification icon so you know when I'm making new movies. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.